What is up, my crypto legenders? Let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. I should be live right now, guys. Hello. What is going on? Are we going to have a massive pumpy action? Are we going to start breaking some major resistance zones? Now, there is something here that I do not personally like on the charts, but everything's looking not too bad. Seems like I am live right now. Yes, yes, yes. Right, let me go quickly here through the comment section. Say hello. It seems like I am live. First of all, let's all smash up that like button, guys. Let's all smash up the like button. And let's go straight here through the comment section. We're going to go through what I've been talking about today. All right, about this potential scenario here, having a consolidation right in between, you know, $52,000 and $45,000 range around this area, bouncing up and down, and then having a massive blast off. We're going to take a look at this potential scenario that it is very, very likely to play out, very likely. Now let me go here quickly through the comment section. I know Joseph here is the first like, one of my best moderators here. Joseph, how are you doing? Thank you very much for joining, Joseph. Very much appreciated. Loud and clear. You're live. Thank you, Joseph, for letting me know. Right, let me go through the comment section. 15 days till Christmas. Come on, Bitcoin, give me a gift, says Re-Up Gang. Let's go, pump, says 71 Games. Yeah, Spain is here, says Andreas. Hi, Andy. Entry points for Atlas and Metis, please. Love you, says Crypto Noob. Metis DAO has got a massive hit, okay? It did get hit, all right? Metis DAO, it did get a little bit hit. But yeah, entries, I mean, entries was right now, you know, the entries was now. Good entries on Metis DAO around this range because, you know, we haven't got any price data on Metis. I'm extremely bullish on Metis. It is a layer 2 solution. They have an excellent team, all right? And mainnet is getting launched very soon. Let's see if they're going to be built on Metis also. ERC20s on the Metis network, mainnet. So Metis, you know, round about that $60 range, it has been a good entry for Metis, okay? If you are bullish, I am bullish in this project. I bought this one all at once. I put over 10k in this one when it was round about 43 or 46, in between 43 and $46, round about this area, okay? Just before we had this pump action is where I bought in. Now, if we take a look at the chart right over here on Metis, and this is on gate.io. But, you know, you can clearly see that it kind of created a double top over here. It does have a very strong level around about that $60, $65 range. And this is where we're currently at now for Metis, all right? I'm not sure if you can see it on the chart. The thing is, we don't have any data for this one on trading view, unfortunately. But, you know, if I zoom in here, and this is on the daily, you can clearly see that Metis DAO, okay, has got, you know, check out here how we've got this double top right over there, right? It's actually has very strong resistance right now. I think, in my opinion, it is likely that we're going to get a bounce from here. Okay, so in between that $60 and $70 has been a good buying zone. It has been a good buying zone, in my opinion. All right, right, so let me just take a look at the comment section. Atlas also, what is Atlas? Any good buying zone on Atlas? I think we do not have any data here also. Atlas US dollar, we do have some on, okay, there is some here, some data on TradingView. Let's zoom in here on Atlas. Now, this is also a good buying zone in my opinion. The reason why is because, I mean, it doesn't look great. We got kind of a double top. We had this, okay, sorry, this is on the logarithmic. Let me just get this out of the way. I was on the logarithmic. Now, we were creating higher lows right over here. Okay, we're just about losing the lows that we created back in November. It looks like we are getting supported very nicely. okay, for the moment. If we start breaking here, okay, we've got several bounces. This very much looks like it wants to reverse, in my opinion, okay. We are having some pretty nice bullish divergence on the RSI, okay, where we are slightly creating lows here on the closers. On the closers, you can clearly see, you know, this low, exaggerated divergence, all right, where we are going actually, you know, not to the downside exactly, but sideways. And we're having the RSI picking up here. So yeah, you want to buy on Atlas? You want to buy? I mean, you buy now. You buy now. You know, we were trading up 21 cents, which was double the price. You know, just about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, if you wanna, you're bullish on this project, I would say yeah, get in now. I would say get in now on Atlas. Okay, currently trading at 12 cents. It was almost double, okay? So I do see this doing an easy 2x in the next coming weeks. Easy recovery. Remember, Star Atlas is one of those gaming projects that is going to be absolutely insane. I did hear that Solana was having some transactions issues this morning. Please confirm me in the comment section. I'm not sure I read it on a tweet somewhere that transactions was down on Solana. Not good, guys. Hello, Andy from Costa Rica, says Jorge Calderon. ¿Cómo estás? Skyland, good morning, Andy. How are you doing, everyone? ETC and BCH. Let's take a look at them. Pump because inflation news. Yeah. I have read that somewhere also. We did have a little bit of a drop on the DXY, but I think it will recover. It was recovering, actually. There was a pretty big spike to the downside on the DXY. So I did just when I was about to go live, there was inflation, okay, and inflation news. And this is why the DXY had this. It looks massive, right? It looks a massive drop, but it actually is not that big. It is not that big. This is the 5-minute chart, okay? If you take a look at this chart like this, on the DXY, you're thinking the dollar is going down. Look at this massive drop. Look what's happened to the dollar because of inflation. It's only gone from 96.4 to 96.1. So yeah, what is it? A 0.3% drop. Yeah, it's not too much of a big deal here, okay? So because if you zoom out, you can clearly see, you know, if you go to the 4-hourly, yeah, the dollar is still looking pretty strong. Pretty strong here in the immediate short term. We did have this kind of ascending broadening wedge. We're just retesting the support, you know. In the next coming days, we could still have some pumpy action here for the dollar. Remember, the DXY, it's the chart that compared to the rest of the currencies worldwide. So yeah, a lot of the other currencies worldwide are doing much worse than the dollar. I live in Spain right now, and I have seen, you know, on the news also inflation on the euro. Okay, there is some inflation on the euro, and the prices of goods are going up. They did announce this today on the Spanish local television that the inflation is kicking in. Now, thoughts on Thetan Arena. I haven't done any research on this project, this gaming project. We should... where should we accumulate? I see here Crypto Noob saying, I haven't done any research. I've heard about it, okay? Crypto Arena, is it even on CoinGecko here? Crypto Arena. I mean, I have to do some research on this one. It seems pretty cool. I will do some research and I will get back. I'm actually going to write it down here, Crypto Arena. I'm actually going to put it on my notes so I can take a look at it afterwards. No research whatsoever on this one yet. It is on the list to do some research. So thanks for reminding me. Good morning, says Sekron. How are you doing? All good, Andy. Thanks for the daily stream. Joseph, thank you for joining. Show us your bull, says Diavolo. What bull did I have? What crypto bull? This one right over here, guys. It's an okay bull. I like it. I got this one, you know. It is what it is. It's the one that I got. It's okay. All right. This is my bull. Okay. This is the bull, guys. It's got a cigarette, one of those thin cigarettes, which is pretty unique. It is pretty unique. It is black. I think 10% of the bulls are black, so it's not that unique. You know, if you take a look at the properties here, green hoodie, 5% have got green hoodies. 2%. I've only got a thin cigar, so that's pretty unique. Stonehorns 15%, golden iris is 10%, and black 10% of the bulls are black. Okay, so it does have a little bit of rarity. It's not the most rare, but it is. This is my bull, guys. Diavolo asking which bull have I got. This is the one from Crypto Bull Society. Now, you did have the chance to enter an insane raffle. I did get some friends entering the raffle getting 2 bulls. I got friends that got 2 bulls. They did manage to get 2 bulls on the Crypto Bull Society raffle. Hi Andy from PH. Giselle, how are you doing? Matic, please tell about this, says Rakat. Let's take a look at Matis. We can also take a look at Bitcoin, guys. We can also take a look at Bitcoin. I wouldn't get too excited just yet from this pump. Remember, if you're interested in trading, Bybit got this insane bonus down below, okay, which is up to $4,100, and I'll go through the comments right away. But the bonus is back, okay? They were just a week, for 1 week it was $600. Now they're back with this insane bonus. I am planning to do some swing trades, and I think they're going to be to the upside. I'm in no swing trades just yet. I am planning to get into some long swing trades. I do think we will have a little bit of volatility in the next coming days, all right? We will see some days of volatility to the downside, in my opinion. But I'm overall going to go long, okay? Will I get exterminated? This time I was long right over here. I got exterminated. I'm looking to re-enter some positions here. I think I will be re-entering very, very soon. And I will let you know in my videos and in my streams. And yeah, I'm planning, my prediction here, okay, from my analysis is that we are not going to successfully break below $40,000. So, the closer we do get, the better for me on my entries. If we break $40,000, it's not game over, but we are going to see multi-monthly bear market, in my opinion, for Bitcoin. We'll be retesting the 30K levels. We'll be getting a bounce, coming back down and retest, and that is going to be a very, very bad sign for Bitcoin. Overall, if we still maintain above this higher low, it's not looking too bad. It's not looking too bad. Yes, we did break the trend line from the higher lows to here. This is why we also got massive resistance below 52K. But overall, we do have hidden bullish divergence. This is from the video I uploaded today. You can check it out, guys. The video that I uploaded today didn't get too many views. Okay, right over here. You know that this could be huge. Hidden bullish divergence. I do explain it as the video. I only posted a couple of hours ago. Not even 2K views. So, lately some of them are not performing that well. First one from the week on Monday performed excellent. Over 10K views. About 12K views I got on that one. So, yeah, make sure to smash up that like button, guys. It's super important for the algorithm, all right? I see Crypto Mo. He's getting 2,000 likes. And, am I much different than Crypto Mo, guys? Do you know Crypto Mo? Make sure to smash up that like button, guys. I think he's just saying smash up that like button every single second. And I don't want to do that, guys. I don't want to do that. I don't want my videos to be, come on, guys, smash up the like button, smash up the like button, smash up the like button, just smash up the like button, guys. Please, come on, scroll down and just smash it. You'll be helping me out insanely with the channel. Now, let's take a look. Screw inflation, this is why we're in crypto, says Sakron. Yes, exactly. Let's take a look at Matic, see what's going on with Matic, guys. Because a lot of Matic, strong believers in Matic. And I hope Metis launches its mainnet already and starts getting built some, ERCs 20 on their mainnet, okay? Because Matis is also layer 2, like not Matic, Metis. Metis is like Matic, but it is 100 times less market capitalization, actually more than that, about 120 from now. Hope it does very, very well. Hope mainnet launches. I hope it's faster. I hope it's cheaper. I hope it's more secure than Matic. Then there's going to be a lot of transition to Metis DAO. Let's see. Next coming weeks should be the mainnet. Very exciting. Matic's looking pretty good. I think we're just gonna consolidate here in between all-time high and the $2.20 range where we're currently at. I think we're just gonna, we've got a major resistance level. I think we're just coming up there. Remember, we've had these kind of 5 waves. Be careful, it could get a little bit volatile. It's going to be a large consolidation before we break the all-time highs. The all-time highs is around about the $2.70, just below $2.70. So yeah, very far away from breaking all-time highs right now. Now, like I said, and I'm not getting paid to promote Metis, but it is one that I've done my research and I'm super bullish on this. What it is, it's got 100 million market capitalization. It's had a correction. You know the deal. You buy in corrections, guys. You want to buy in corrections. People get scared of corrections. This is when you want to buy in. I remember these corrections. I think I bought on this first pump and then it came back down to my price level and I was like, what's going on here? Are we going to make a double top? No, we did not. We blasted off. We went all the way up to $115. This is correcting right now, bouncing at the top here from the highs that we created back in September. Not financial advice, but if you are, willing to get into a project like this, and this is, 100 million market capitalization. This has the technology, this has the potential to do very good like Matic. Maybe, if it does reach half of market capitalization, let's take a look at Polygon. And it's not going to take a week or two, and we will have corrections. It will look bad, guys, but very bullish. 15 billion, so it's over 150 times what Metis is. Okay, Metis DAO has 150 less in market capitalization. So if it did a half what Polygon Matic is right now, it would be a 75x. It is very, very possible, very possible to go at least to a few billion on Metis DAO. I mean, not financial advice, but their layer 2 solutions will be doing very well. We got a lot of people talking about ZK Sync, ZK rollups. That is the thing right now. Wait till Metis also, goes mainstream. Okay, enough of talk about that. Let's take a look. When will Chainlink pump? When will Chainlink pump? It's a very good question. Very good question. It is managing to hold. My theory here. If you watched my video a couple of days back, I've got this ready for the thumbnail even. Still that have that. This is my theory on Chainlink. This is my theory on Chainlink. Chainlink will be creating a double bottom, in my opinion. Looking how, and this is only a 4-hourly chart. I did a video on this just a few days ago. Chainlink, when will it pump? It will pump in the next few weeks, don't worry. And we might even come down to the $14. It's still very, very possible. My theory here on Chainlink, and this is on the daily, is that we are creating, double bottoms before we break all-time high. It has been doing it since 2018. You create double bottom, you have a pump action, everybody gets extremely bullish, everybody gets extremely bearish. Double bottom. What happens after double bottom? You absolutely go parabolic for the next couple of months. Now, what happens here when you broke the highs? Double bottom right over here. Bang, bang. It was actually a triple bottom because of the Black Swan event, March of 2020. What happens with after that triple bottom? After a few months, this is a few months, guys. Sideways, dumpy action, boring. Boom, blast off, break all-time high. What happens afterwards? Retracement. Pump, pump, pump. Bullish people get extremely bullish. Back down again. Double bottom. Double bottom right over here. Broke all-time high again. Same thing every single time. We've only been consolidating here for a few months. Chainlink consolidates a few months in these ranges. As you can see, a few months. We could still be here for another couple of weeks. Even come back down to $14. And then have the pump. Okay, that's my theory here, that Chainlink is creating kind of a double bottom, and in the next couple of weeks, first quarter of 2022, we're going to start pumping like crazy, baby. We're going to start pumping like crazy. It just takes time, guys. This is good for the market. When you have these kind of consolidation, you need to get bored, you need to get bearish, you need to quit. I quit crypto. I'm selling my crypto. We're in a bear market. It's going to be, I've been through here. I've been through this. I'm going to get through this as well. No problem. Okay. I know it's boring. I know it's frustrating. But I've been through all of this. I've been through all of the bearishness back in March, also in December of 2018. Also very, very bearish when we had this drop in Chainlink. I know I wasn't looking at Chainlink, but I was looking at Bitcoin. This is when I was starting to get into crypto. So I've been through all of this. This is very, very healthy for the market, because when you get this kind of action, guess what happens afterwards? Boom, bang, bang. What's going to happen afterwards? Are we going to go bang to the downside or bang to the upside? Very, very likely it's going to be to the upside. So yeah, when are we going to pump? Give it a couple of weeks. Give it a couple of weeks. We might go down. We might go down in the next coming days. We might go down. Okay. Lower your vid quality a bit down. Let's take a look. Okay, I think my video quality is down. Let me just quickly check here. Go down in the next coming days. We might go down. I think, okay, I'll have to check out here the settings. Mark Dutch, how are you doing? I'm glad Mark Dutch is here in the stream. Let's take a look at some cryptos, guys. Where's my popcorn? I am talking about Chainlink. So yeah. Also that good news. Google, this is why 69K was not the top for Bitcoin cycle. Plan B explains. Let's do that. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to Google. Why 69K wasn't the top? Do we see here? I can't see anything here. Crypto Potato, Bitcoin cycle. Plan B explains. What does he explain exactly? I don't think 69K was the top for this halving cycle. If 69K were the top, then a typical bear market of minus 80% drawdown would bring the bottom to 14K, below the 2017 all-time high 20K, and below the 200 weekly moving average 18K. Now, that has never happened, and in my opinion will never happen. I mean, very, very true, very, very true. We'll have to drop below the 200 weekly moving average, and we would have to drop below the last all-time high, and that hasn't happened on BTC. Now, when you have these, you know, big investors such as Michael Saylor, and where does this guy get his money from? Where does this guy get his money from? He just bought about, what, $80 million worth of Bitcoin? Was it yesterday or today? I don't know when it was. It wasn't too far long ago. He bought 80 million. Where does this guy make money? You know, because I see the bears saying, you know, my MicroStrategy company is absolutely crap. He's never succeed. And, you know, but I think a lot of people are using his softwares worldwide or something, because he's got money, and he's just, you know, dollar cost averaging, the price going down or up. So where does this guy get his money from? His company, I know the stocks are doing bad of MicroStrategy, but the company must be doing okay, must be getting his money somewhere. And yeah, guys, wait till the more institutions come back in, guys. When we start seeing this inflation signs, it might be a catalyst for BTC to absolutely moon. So this is why a super cycle, you know, this is why 300,000 BTC is not too far off. Now, if you take a look at it on the logarithmic, and we can go on the weekly. And sorry guys, I'm going to go through the comment section now. I feel sorry. I just like to talk about what I think also. You know, it's not too far off. If, you know, first, second quarter, I would say second quarter or even third quarter of 2022 to come all the way up here. So if we did, okay, BTC price come to the $200,000 and $300,000, you know, it's not too far off. Especially if we've seen a lot of doubt or you know, of governments, of inflation, you know, it is a possibility. So anyway, I know, let's take a look at the comment section and short-term analysis here. Look at this, guys. Oof, we're getting a little bit of rejection. We talked about this yesterday, about this potential ascending channel, and it was breaking support here. It is getting retested. To become bullish, I think we should have to break back in this major support level. I'm not too bullish just yet. This has just been a little bit of a relief kind of rally. So stay cautious on this if you are doing any scalping. Right. What do you think of MNG or Moon Nation Game? Moon Nation Game, right? I got some super chats. Moon Nation Game, I have no thoughts on that. I have no idea on what this is. Moon Nation Game, I have no idea. Guys, make sure to get your cup of tea, your Earl Grey. Moon, it's on the Binance Smart Chain. So that's a piece of crappy, in my opinion, already. It's doing pretty good. It's doing pretty good. Almost about to break all-time high. I'll take a look at this one for sure. Make sure to join the Telegram group down below. I'll be taking a look at some projects, and you can tag me on the Telegram group and ask me, hey, did you take a look at that project? And I'll give you my personal opinion. You know, if I'm bullish, if I'm bearish, if the team looks a little bit scrappy and they don't look good, not good background. So yeah, make sure to join the Telegram group. We've also got a Discord down below, so make sure to join the Discord group. Now guys, thank you very much. Let's try, almost 500 watching. We need to get to 300 likes. Now I'm gonna make a question here. What question could I put in the poll? I'm gonna go through the comment section because I've got super chats. I've got too many things that I want to take a look at. And right, Astro, thanks for the 10 euros, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. Let's take a look at this crypto. What crypto is it? Ren. Can you by any chance check Ren? Ren is an insane project. Ren will be doing very well. I remember seeing Ren when it was at 3 cents. I saw Chico Crypto talking about Ren when it was at 3 cents, you know, and wrapped different, you know, different tokens and different projects is going to be a big thing, you know, a big thing for interoperability. So Ren is definitely it will do well. It will do well. It's one of those DeFi, you know, gems that will be doing well. It hasn't been doing well lately. Okay, we had a massive ascending brawling wedge. This was our last analysis. Look how this, you know, this, I haven't touched anything from here. This has been spot on the analysis. Now, I know the chart doesn't look great because you could arguably discuss that this is a double top. But what we added is a huge ascending brawling wedge right over here on Ren. What happened? It broke support, as you can see. Massive ascending brawling wedge, breaking support. It was breaking the lows over here, and this is where we currently got a massive rejection. That would have been a great shorting opportunity. Okay. Yeah, and this was the measured move. The measured move is the width, okay, of the actual ascending brawling wedge from the last bit of the resistance here to the support, and that is the technical target. From the breakout, the technical target from this ascending brawling wedge has been met, as you can see right over here. Now the question is, are we going to start pumping like crazy here on Ren? My take on Ren is that, you know, it will be one of those cryptos that will recover and do very, very well. Insane technology. It's going to be have huge utility. Okay, wrapped Bitcoin, wrapped Ethereum, wrapped Avalanche, wrapped whatever to do interoperability is very much needed. And yeah, we're very far away. Note that Chainlink, these are the summer lows. I think there is a possibility that Ren is not going to go, not even going to come down to the summer lows. So yeah, let's take a look at volume, because I like to look at volume on different exchanges. Let's take a look at Coinbase. Do we have a lot of selling volume? It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good to me. You could arguably discuss, okay, that yes, this is creating lower highs, but it is creating higher lows, you know, since July of 2020. This one's looking like it might be a beast, a macro huge symmetrical triangle. because it is making higher lows. It is making higher lows. So overall, you know, Ren, you might think that this is a double top, and you might think that we are going to come to much lower levels. But if, in my opinion, you know, we are coming from an uptrend, and a macro symmetrical triangle coming from an uptrend, you know, it is likely to be a continuation pattern in the next coming months. So if you take a look at volume, here also, volume's bullish. You know, buying pressure is much higher than the actual selling pressure. Ren's in a buying opportunity in my opinion right now. It is actually bouncing at this major resistance that we did have from August. It's bouncing at the highs. It is just retesting, not bouncing just yet. It is retesting the highs of summer of 2020. How many of you, let me just ask you, okay, in the poll, okay, that's a pretty cool question, you know, were you in crypto DeFi on DeFi summer 2020? Let me know in the comment section. Were you, okay, were you in crypto on DeFi summer of 2020? Let me know in the comment section, because if you were, you know that DeFi when it was exploding. Aave, I remember seeing Aave when it was just a couple of dollars. Synthetics, Chainlink, all these DeFi, Ren, all these DeFi projects were absolutely exploding in summer of 2020. That was this run up on Ren, okay? You can just take a look at Ren. July, August, okay? Ren was trading, you can take a look at Ren here in June. It was trading at about 9 cents, 8 cents. It went all the way up to 50 cents, all right, in just about 2 months. So we're doing a well above a 5x. It was doing a 6, 7x, all right, in just a couple of months. It was exploding. Now, it is just bouncing. Ren is bouncing at the summer DeFi highs, which is at that 50 cent level, right? Ren is trading at 50 cent. If you ask me, this is a buy zone. This is a buy zone, Astro. Massive buy zone for Ren. We get the low Fibonacci also. We are just trading in between 62% level and 78. You know, you can't get a better buy zone than this. You know, in this case over here, yes, you come back down to the actual low from the pump. This is usually unlikely price action. Could it happen? Yes, but that means you're going to get a best deal at 38.40 cents. So if you're accumulating, you know, our dollar cost average, just in case you do get a massive bounce from these levels. That is my take. Huge symmetrical triangle from an uptrend. This is going to continue in the next coming months. Thanks, Astro, for the $10. Very much appreciated. Let's take a look at the next super chat here from Maxi, or I don't know, I can't read your name. I think it's Russian or something. Hi Andy, Nia bounced back by 9.6 again, and I feel like he can take a new all-time high. What do you think? Let's take a look at Nia straight away. Thanks for the super chat. Let's take a look. Right, this was the analysis that we did on Nia. Okay, it's not looking too great. Nia is not looking too great, and the reason why it is not looking too great, okay, we can take this box out of the way. That's all-time high. We have like an ascending wedge over here, okay, where you are retesting, you know, support and resistance here from this uptrend. You finally break support, and this is where we are retesting right now. It is not looking good. Now, Nia is at a major resistance. I think we need to break well above the $11-10 range to start become bullish again on Nia, because check out here how you have created these higher lows, major support level. We broke it. We are retesting it. Very, very likely we're going to get a rejection here. And thanks for the super chat. Sorry to give you this news, but it is not looking good on the chart, I gotta say. It is not looking too great. If we do get above the $10, at least $11, we need to get above $11. If we do get above $11, then yes, it will be looking great again. It will be looking great. But I need to take a look at the major resistance that we've got after this drop. It's not looking good. And if we do drop from here, okay, at this major level, and you know, this is an insane support level. It's a very, very strong support level. Okay, and I'm talking about the $6.50, $6.70 range. Okay, in between $6 and $70. You know, volatility is insane, so it is that $6-7 range. It is super strong. I'm just worried about this one doing something like this and creating a head and shoulder scenario. It's very unlikely that it is going to break down. I know Near Protocol is a very good project, so I mean, if we do come like down here, it's going to be those head and shoulder patterns that actually don't play out and have a massive reversal. This is only if we do get rejected from here. Stay cautious on Near. This is my opinion. Okay, there could be a bullish case on Near. I just don't see the bullish case right now. I think price is getting a little exhausted right here, as you can see, creating these lower highs. Now we can go to the 4 hourly. All right, we can go to the 4 hourly and yeah, I can't see anything special. There is some, the volume to the upside is pretty good. Pretty good volume now. The last couple of days. Yeah, not looking too great. Thanks for the super chat. Anyway, thank you very much. Let's take a look at some other cryptos. Hopefully Bitcoin breaks 52K and sends bears back into hibernation. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, we all want that. We all want that, don't we? I've got no more dollars left to buy the dip. So we can move up from here, in my opinion. Got no more dollars. I'm broke. I got stopped out on my trades. I got no more dollars. I got 90% of you know, my capital in crypto. How can you buy the dip if you got no dollars? Right, let's take a look at my moderators group because I am getting some super chat. Sorry guys, let me just take a quick look at I've got some super chats here and I don't want to miss the super chats. Ground of Faith Worship. Thanks for the super chat. I almost missed it. Lucky I got an insane group of moderators. Got an insane group of moderators. They're doing an absolutely great job. RTM ICO, new partnership on Telegram to be announced. Can you look at it? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too. Also, Ground of Faith Worship. Let's take a look at this one. What is it? What is it? ARTM. Oh, it's an ICO, so it's not going to be here. Can you look into it? Well, ARTM. I know there was, I can't remember the page here. I can't remember the page of the ICOs right now. I must have it somewhere, but I can't remember. ARTM. Yeah, I don't know where to find it. Let me know join the Telegram. I have the ICO page here somewhere. I just can't remember which one it is right now here on the live stream. Join the Telegram group. Make sure to tag me and we can talk there. We can take a look at it together. So yeah, not here on the live stream. But if it's an ICO, it's not out yet. Yeah, make sure to join Telegram group. I will give you my opinion. Do some research on that for sure. Thanks very much for the super chats. Ground of Faith Worship. But if the project's not launched yet, a lot of research to do. You know, you be active on Telegram. Does it have a white paper? Does it have a page? So yeah, thanks very much for the super chat. Ents, please. Right. Andy checked mods chat before 30 minutes passed. We got a skyrocket from here. Yeah, very true. Very true. Let's take a look at Ents. This is that engine Ethereum This is a pretty new project, guys. It is mission impossible. I don't do research on all the single cryptocurrencies. I just don't. Every single, you know, and this one's a pretty relative new Ethereum name service. This reminds me of ICP. Remember, ICP had a massive hype suddenly. Everybody was talking about ICP suddenly for a couple of weeks. And ICP, I don't know what's going on with ICP right now, but it's been a super bad performer. Yeah, if you look at the chart, yeah, I remember ICP back in May, April and May. It was something. Look at what's happened right now. It looks like it's dead. I'm not sure if they're too active on ICP. What are they doing? What are their plans? But if you're bullish on this one, it is the moment to buy in. I'm telling you that. When it's flat, when it looks dead. ENTs. Let's take a look at ENTs. Ethereum name service. Do we have any chart on this one? Do we have any chart data? It's having a little bit of a massive dip right now. Let's take a look at ENTs. Stay cautious with Near protocol. Not looking too great on the chart. Not looking too great. We haven't got much data on this one, unfortunately. Yeah, we're basically doing chart analysis. There is a possibility that this one might find a bottom here. I would like to see a little bit more data. Yeah, I've got no data. I mean, this is like ICP. Suddenly launched on loads of exchanges, a little bit of a hype, and then massive crash down, pump and dump. It might be a great project. I'll have to do some research on this one. But yeah, thanks for the comment. BTC dead, says Taxmon. BTC dead. Yeah, I would stay cautious on Bitcoin right now. A little bit of a hype with this tiny pump. Stay a little bit cautious on this. Let's zoom in here on the 1 hourly, see what's going on. We need to, whoop. Yeah, we are getting rejected actually. We are, whoa, it's getting a little bit of a dumpy action right now. I think a lot of people might have gone long, gotten a little bit excited here, and whoa, it's having a little bit of a little bit of a dumpy. Lot of YouTubers, analysts, whatever you want to call them, a lot of them talking about this double bottom. I wasn't too sure about this. But wow, it's having a little bit of dumpy action right now. So I see more downside for Bitcoin. I really do. I really do see a little bit of more downside. We haven't properly retested the lows here, you know, 46k, 45k. I do see that happening in the next coming days, guys. Even though I'm extremely bullish for the next coming weeks, I see a little bit more dippy action here. We need a large consolidation. Usually when you have a dump like this, it does take some time to start pumping. You know, this very much reminds me like a situation that happened right over here. Okay. You know, when we have these dead cat bounces, people get a little bit overexcited. They do get excited. Even myself, I was excited when we were trading at 40k. Then we came all the way back down to 28k levels. So stay cautious with this kind of price action. This is very, very small pumps. I do see us pumping to 50k, 52k, but then probably coming back down. We need consolidation, guys. This is what we're looking for. This kind of price action. A little bit more than this. Maybe it will be a short consolidation of just a couple of weeks. So yeah, stay cautious. So we put a massive long position right now. What's going on with the S&P 500? Very important also. S&P, guys. S&P. What's going on with S&P? Having a little bit of pumpy action. The DXY. DXY, I think, is recovering from that pump, from that dump. Yeah. Huge recovery. Look at that dump that the DXY had. Huge recovery. Right, 500 watching right now. Make sure to smash up that like button. As you can see on the DXY, this is the 5-minute chart. This looks like a massive dump. But zooming out here on the 1 hourly, it's just been a, yeah. It's nothing too serious. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at the comment section. Right. Can you do Cartesi, please? Says Right. Of course I can. But before I do Cartesi, I need you guys to smash up that like button, okay? It's easy. You just need to scroll down, smash up that like button. Let's try and get to 500 likes. That would be absolutely amazing. I've only got 200 votes right now, over 200 votes. On were you here on the DeFi summer? 70% says no. So a lot of you guys are new in crypto. Must be new from 2021. DeFi summer was insane. It was great. We were seeing a lot of altcoins smashing, you know, making 5, 10, 20x. It was great feeling. This was just a few months after the C19 crash. So yeah, I'm surprised. Only 28% were not in crypto. Were in crypto, sorry, in DeFi summer. So yeah, let's go here through the comment section. Cartesi was the one. Cartesi. Guys, a good way to support the channel, and if you are interested in trading, PrimeXBT is my favorite day trading platform. I was looking for a position here on S&P 500. You get a 25% discount down below, okay, with my link in the description. And the good thing about the PrimeXBT, that you can trade S&P 500, Dow Jones, gold, and you're using Bitcoin as collateral, which is great. I got a full tutorial also down below. Make sure to check it out, guys. And on Bybit, my favorite swing trading platform, you get the best deal available, which is $4,100 worth of bonus. A great way to support the channel also. Okay, so no swing trades. I am going to be entering some swing trades in the next coming days, guys. I am extremely long, but I do see some dippy action, okay, on Bitcoin still. I do see a little bit of scary action still to the downside. So let's take a look at Cartesi. Cartesi, what's going on with Cartesi? What's the ticker symbol on Cartesi? CTSI. Layer 2 solution also, if I'm not wrong, for Ethereum. It looks like this one is holding by a thread. This is on the 4 hourly. Holding by a thread here from these higher lows. Yeah, holding by a thread basically. This one does have a good chance to start pumping hard, okay? Let me just take a look at another chart because this one's calculated by TradingView. This one looks great. This one really does look good. In my opinion, it is very unlikely, okay, if we do drop and lose this level, this higher low level where we're currently at right now, I think it's very unlikely that we'll lose it. But if we take a look at price action, what do we like to see in an uptrend? We want to see high volume when you're pumping. And when you're correcting, you want to see low volume. This is when you have the reversal. When you have low volume, when you dropping on the correction, it's when it's very likely you're going to bottom out at some point and have a massive pump, right? You have a massive pump with volume. Now, this area is, we should be holding this area. I'm surprised we didn't hold it right there, but we had the 5th of December correction where Bitcoin and altcoins, you know, were dropping insanely. So that is inevitable. You know, if all crypto crashes, you know, if we got Bitcoin, Ethereum crashing, then yeah, all of these ones are going to crash also. I don't see this one losing the lower part of this pump, which would be 50 cents. You know, any low 50s, low 60s, 70, where we currently at here on Cartesi is a great buy zone. If we do come down a little bit lower, even better buy zone at 50-cent level, even better. I do see this one doing very, very well. Chart looks brilliant. Chart looks really, really good. Remember, we do have these two solid candlesticks with a huge amount of volume. We are currently trading around about the first candlestick. Now, it's very, very likely this one will hold. Looks pretty good. Let me take a look at the VPVR here. I'm just curious to see the VPVR on this one. Oh, we don't have any. Oh, yeah, we do. Yeah, solid area. This, you know, where we got this spike on the VPVR. Right now, we haven't got too much price data, unfortunately, on Coinbase. We're going to go to, we have a very good spike, and this is where we're currently trading at. Let's take a look at another chart here on Binance to take a look at the VPVR, where we have a little bit more price data. I mean, it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. Let's just zoom in here quickly to take a look at the VPVR. Yeah, we do have a very, very good solid support, okay, looking at the VPVR. Around these levels. It's even better down here, but if we just zoom in and just take a look at the where we've been trading, yeah, solid area. Very unlikely that Cartesi will be dropping below 60 cents. So in between 60 cents and 70 cents is an insane buying opportunity on Cartesi. Castor analysis, says Mohammed. Castor hasn't been launched yet. Castor app is going to be launched on first quarter, and also the Castor tokens getting launched on first quarter. There is a waitlist still on Castor. There's a little bit of overhyped on Castor, but I know it's going to be insane, okay? Their engine, their technology is going to be great, where you can switch crypto and send crypto instantly worldwide. This is a total revolution. Try doing that on crypto.com or on you know, on whatever exchange or wallet or MetaMask. You cannot do that. Fees are going to be extremely expensive. It's going to take some time. It's going to take at least 5-10 minutes, on MetaMask on the Ethereum network or blockchain network. So yeah, no analysis on Castor. Castor is just going to be great. Getting launched first quarter of 2022. So you want to join. The link is down below of the website, castor.io. You just need to join here, the waitlist. Okay, castor.io. Hasta la Castor, baby. Lua, thank you very much. Bitcoin dropping, yeah. Bitcoin a little bit in a dip. I know, I'm sorry guys, I'm really sorry because of the thumbnail and the title. Okay, I gotta say, Bitcoin pump, will we go higher? We're actually dropping right now. I was very much expecting, I am a slightly bearish in the short term, okay? I am slightly bearish in the short term, guys, I gotta say. And what kind of thumbnail did I have? Okay, it wasn't that crazy. But yeah, I'm sorry for the title because I got crypto pump here. And we're actually dropping right now. But I started off, you can go at the beginning of the live stream. I started off with this, guys. And we got these higher highs, we got these higher lows, and we're just hitting a major resistance right there right now. So yeah, I think people got excited. I was thinking of shorting this actually. We are retesting we've just retested the resistance from this kind of flag, right? Because this is a flag. We got a drop, we got a flag right over here, and we're just retesting the resistance. You can take a look at the beginning of the live stream. I was starting with this, and the pump was just hitting that resistance, and we needed to break this to start becoming a little bit bullish. But yeah, I think we're gonna go to lower levels. We are gonna go to lower levels, in my opinion. Andy, yeah guys, a thumbnail. I'm sorry about the thumbnails, but thumbnails are important to bring traffic to the channel, guys. It is what it is. I've been trying with crap thumbnails and more realistic thumbnails, and I'm sorry, I don't get the amount of views. So yeah, don't take any notice on my thumbnails. I'm going to try and keep it solid. I'm going to try and keep it, you know, classic bear flag playing out. You got it. I was just about to short it, but I was getting the stream ready, and I was, you know, I didn't short it. I was going to short this on Prime XBT. For day trading, it is absolutely great, and yeah, it could have been a quick little scalp, because we are getting, you know, taking a look at the 1 hourly. We're just hitting from that higher low. We are hitting the resistance zone here. Quick little scalp. There is a possibility. Let's take a quick look at the 15-minute. Okay. Hang on a second, guys. Hang on a second, because I want to go to my other chart. Right over here. Yeah, volume is not too great either. Volume is not insane. There's more volume to the downside. More volume to the downside than to the upside. That was a great shorting opportunity. It was a great shorting opportunity because we were hitting, that higher low major resist support turning into resistance. We look at that consolidation. This is confirming that this is a major level. And I was seeing, I was already seeing on Twitter, pump, pump, pump. And I was like, okay, pump. And this is the title that we need to get in. And that was just, that was an insane shorting opportunity. We might come to much lower levels. We might be retesting the lows here of 47k, guys, in the next coming hours. So stay cautious. Stay cautious. I think low 46k's levels is very, very possible. Very possible. So yeah, be careful. Sorry about the title anyway. I've been in great short. Why didn't I short this? I was too busy getting everything ready. Right, let's take a look. Mark Dutch saying, Lauren, hi my dear English Spanish crypto lady from Girona. Mark Dutch. Hey. Guys, make sure to join the Telegram group. Mark Dutch, my moderators are really active on the Telegram. They're absolutely great. Huge community, a big laugh, talking crypto all day, all night. Anyone know inflation rate? We can take a look. We can take a look on Google. I mean, inflation rate. What is US inflation rate? Data, rate. 3.5%. I don't think so. It is more like 10% at least, and it should be about 15 actually. How can they say that? 3.5%. That is crazy. What liars? There was a page, current US inflation rate. Well, we got 6.8 here. 6.8. Yeah, no, it's 6.8 on November. December, but this is not real. It's way higher than that. It's over 10%, I'm telling you. 6.8%. 4.8. No way. It's not. It's way above 10%, guys. It's above 10%. This data is not real. This is not real. It's not 6.8%. I'm telling you that. It's above 10%. It is. And I know it sounds crazy, but it is. Will it be long in 10%? Maybe not. It will maybe go lower on first quarter 2022. But look how it's been growing, according to this data. It was at 1.4, 1.7, 2.6 in March. Check out on C19. Wow. The inflation, guys, you know the deal. When you have a black swan event, okay, and you can take a look at Bitcoin, gold, all the different assets. Look at oil. Oil went to negative. Oil went to minus $38, I think, or something like that. You were getting paid to store oil, so because they couldn't stop the wells because of not, to turn them back on again. It's crazy. So you would get paid to store oil. Now, in 2020, May, okay, this was just 2 months after the C19 crash. This was when all the assets were already crashed. People wanted dollars. So yeah, they cut the pipeline. No more printing. Everybody wants dollars. Everybody wants to use dollars. Everyone wants to have dollars. So they cut the pipeline. 0.1 back in May of March. This was just straight after the C19 crash. April 0.3, 0.1 in May. When have we seen those levels? 2009. Okay, this was also when we had the crash. It was minus here. So yeah, they definitely stopped the printing machine back here also. But 6.8, guys. I mean, for the last decade, for the last 2 decades, we've never been this high. The printing machine go brrr has never been so high. It's cool. A long time since I haven't checked out this data. Last time I checked this data was back in the summer, and I remember we were at around about 5. But yeah, I don't think it's 6.8, guys. I think it's about 10% realistically. Realistic. So anyway, that was pretty interesting to take a look at, guys. What do you think? I'm going to put another poll. Right, 470 votes. No, 71% people wasn't here on the DeFi summer of 2020. A lot of people, newcomers into crypto. A lot of new people into crypto here. Very, very exciting. This is a very strong sign of mass adoption. Mass adoption growing strongly. We could prevent the bear market, retail investors, because retail investors usually sell at a top, okay? And data is showing that retail investors are buying the dip. Retail sell Bitcoin right now. There will be some people selling, thinking that we are entering a bear market. But usually retail needs to sell, right? When you're dropping, they need to panic sell. They need to sell while we're dropping, and that is not happening. They're actually buying at these levels. There hasn't been a lot of people selling. They are, I think it's something like 70% of the wallets holding BTC haven't, for over 1 year, haven't sold any Bitcoin. And this is huge, guys. This is huge. There are really some strong hodlers out there. Are you staking your Metis on standard protocol? No, I am not. Juicy APR. I will definitely take a look at that. I'll definitely take a look at that. I am not staking my Metis, but it is something that I have to do because I'm a strong believer on Metis. So, yeah. I will be doing that, I think, because I am here for the long run on Metis. I think layer 2s are going to be absolutely huge because most of the projects are not going to transition from Ethereum, from ERC20s. They're just not going to do it. They're not going to suddenly go to Avalanche, to Solana. Solana's having some issues right now. Guys, did you know anything about Solana? I read something quickly on Twitter. I think it was from Richard Hart actually right now, saying Solana is down, let's take a look at the Twitter. Let's try and find, guys, do you know? Have you seen Carl from the Moon? He's got this crypto bull, the golden crypto bull, $150,000 he spent on the golden crypto bull, guys. Do you think that bull will go over $1 million? Is it possible? He paid $150,000. I've got this one right over here. This is my crypto bull. It is cool. It's cool. I like his eyes. He's got a cigaretto. Let's right, what was I gonna do right now? What was I gonna do? I was gonna try and look for something. I forgot what I was gonna do. Can you take a look at BTT, please? Yeah, let's take a look at BTT, says Flip Martinovic. BTT. Straight away. I'm not staking my Metis, but I will. Right, let's take a look at BTT. Next cryptocurrency. Where can we take a look at it? Here. It had a massive bounce for some reason. It had a massive bounce. Massive bounce here on BTT. At the summer lows, okay, there is a possibility. You want to become bullish on BTT as soon as you break. Look at this. This is the VPVR. I mean, VPVR is great on altcoins. Check out where the most volume has been traded here. On the VPVR, we can take a look here. Right over there, we have 0.0038. Massive, resistance. As soon as we get above this level, and this means the last lower high, right over there. Where's the last lower high? It's this one. we had a massive bounce from the summer lows. I mean, don't get me wrong here. It was a great buy zone right there. I think that a lot of the cryptos are going to hold the summer lows. Some of them are dipping just slightly below it, below the summer lows. As soon as BTT gets above the 0.004 right over here, the last lower high, this one here, are getting above this massive, huge of wall of VPVR, it's time to start becoming bullish on BTT. Okay, till then, be careful with volatility. We're coming back down to the summer lows. It is very, very possible. I remember what I was going to do. We were going to take a look at Richard's Hart tweets. Guys, make sure to follow Bitcoinsensus Twitter account down below in the description. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This guy, man, whew, he's a smart guy. Hex did an insane return on investment for the last couple of years, guys. It's been insane. I remember seeing Hex when it was nothing, when it was a supposed scam. Everybody was talking about Hex, about Richard Hart, about being a scam. Everybody, every single YouTuber, every single article out there. Hex is a scam. Hex is a scam because, you know, the system that it had on locking the Hex and getting the returns was a little bit suspicious. But it actually did very, very well. If you would have put $1,000 on Hex a couple of years ago, you would be a millionaire right now. Anyway, he did comment something about Solana not just long ago. I can't find it right now. He did comment something on Solana being down. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Do you know anything about Solana being down? The network being down. Can you take a look at Helium, please? I think the title of the video needs to be changed. Yes, to dump. I know, guys. I know. But it is what it is. When you pump, you just put pump. When you dump, you put dump. And if you take a look at the beginning of the video, okay? If you take a look at the beginning of the video, you can of the live stream, you will see that I have this being a massive resistance from the pump. Take a look at the beginning of the live stream. I'm sorry, guys, about the title and the thumbnails. It's just to attract the people. It's to attract people. You know that. So yeah, we basically hit that resistance, and we're dropping. We actually could drop below 47.4k levels easily. I think this low over here will be lost. It will be lost. So short term, I am bearish, guys. I am bearish in the short term. Price action is not looking good, but when I zoom out, just like when I showed you on today's video, check out today's video, guys. I haven't got too much engagement on today's video. Check it out, guys. I'm talking about, you know, Q1 2022, looking at the RSI, looking at the macro, looking at hidden bearish divergence, and the possibility of us pumping in first quarter of 2022. I think December is gonna be a pretty bearish. It will be pretty bearish. Also because of tax issues, all right? It's end of the year. They want to suppress the price of BTC down. It does make sense to suppress it down. And then suddenly in January, you're just going to, you know, start going crazy. It does make sense, in my opinion. Cointelegraph, Solana. Andy, can you take a look at XYO? Let's take a look. Solana reportedly hit by DDoS attack, but network remains online. Okay. Richard Hart isn't even his real name. He must have changed his name then. Mark Dirch, thanks everyone. Thank everyone for the support. Let's take a look at Helium then. Let's take a look at Helium. What's going on with Helium? What is Helium? What's Helium ticker symbol? Come on. Every Friday is Black Friday. Yes, you got it. Did they not say inflation was 12%, says Mitesh? I do not believe one single bit that inflation is 6.8%. I just do not believe it one single bit. Okay, so yeah, what do you guys think? What do you? I'm going to create another poll. Okay, I'm going to end the poll. We've got 534 votes on this poll. 70% of people here in the comment section in the live stream was not in the DeFi summer of 2020. A lot of newcomers in 2021, which is good. Okay, we want to see crypto growing. We want to see mass adoption. I've been in crypto since 2018, mid 2018. I started investing heavily in 2019. So it's good to see a lot of people, a lot of newcomers, guys. Hold on tight because crypto is volatile. I've been through many dumps. But overall, the macro trend, I think a bear market, a multi-year bear market, I think retail are not going to make that possible. Let me just create another poll here. Do you think, okay, here on this data, we have November 6.8, so maybe December 7.2. Do you think inflation is over 10%? Right now, okay? Do you think inflation is over 10%? And I strongly believe it is. Okay? Because, you know, look how it's been growing. And I think this is already false data. I think in the summer we were well above 5, well above 6. You know, 6.2 in October, 6.8 in November. It should be well above 7 in December. And that's what they are saying. But I think it's well above 10%. Let me know, you guys, what do you think? Are we below 10%? Are we above 10%? And yeah, I wouldn't trust too much this data. I wouldn't trust it too much. So yeah, the poll is there. Let me know, you guys, in the comment section. Let's take a look at some cryptos. Is inflation over 10%? Right. BTC, don't smash up that like button. Yes, guys. XCAD. Let's take a look at XCAD. What is this one? I have no idea what this crypto is. Right, what is this cryptocurrency? I have no idea what this one is. Let's take a look at it. The watch to earn revolution. Watch to earn. Not play to earn, watch to earn. Okay, cool. This might be something. Mr. Beast. YouTubers backing XCAD. Mr. Beast. Okay. Okay, this might be a pretty solid KSI. This might be a pretty solid project. If you got these influencers, big influencers backing this one. I'll have to go through the roadmap. Watch to earn, guys. We're going to see a lot of people watching, trying to, you know, earning some rewards. This reminds me of something like Theta Network. Pretty cool project. I'm going to take a look at this one. It looks pretty good. 100 million market capitalization. XCAD. Let's take a look at the price. I mean, price looks pretty cool. It's been doing great. It's been doing great for the last few months. So, I mean, let's take a look at the chart. XCAD. Okay, it's not looking too great right now because we're having a little bit of a double top scenario here. I think a bigger correction is likely. I think a bigger correction might be on the way for this one. Where could we come down to is the question. Now, if we do come down here to retest, the $4.50 might be a good zone. I don't like this kind of price action. I think we might be coming down to these levels very, very likely. We'll take a look at the fib levels here from the low to the highs. You know, it would be nice. It would be nice. In between 62 and 78 will be a great buy zone. We got all of this to back up, all this major resistance, okay, to back up. I think it's going to be very, very good buying opportunity. I do see this one coming down to these levels. So stay cautious. It is coming down right now. But yeah, it looks a very interesting project, okay? If it's backed up, okay, of Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast likes to throw millions. You know the deal, guys. He likes to throw millions, so blah 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 blah. I have here Max Mustamen blah blah blah. If you don't like the stream, you can leave. You can leave, okay? Over 20%, as far as I'm concerned. Inflation over 20%. I think that's a little bit too much, but it could be possible. It could be possible. It is, you know, very, very likely that they are lying to us because yeah, it's well above 6.8%. I'll tell you that. Moon Sember. VRA also watch to earn project. Veracity. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We're gonna have a lot of people watching stuff. Veracity is holding by a thread right over here. But the reason I think that Veracity does have a good chance is because we haven't lost the last lower high. Okay, we got you got these highs, major support level. We could come all the way down to the 2.5 cents and it'll still be looking very bullish. I think that would be a great buying opportunity on VRA, Veracity. What do I think about ADA? I think ADA has been crushed. I mean, it's lost a little bit of... I know we have good stuff coming out on ADA. There's always good stuff coming out on ADA. We got the DEXs, we got a lot of stuff, but it's just lost such a big structure. It's lost such a big structure, ADA. Now, supposedly they were going to buy the rumor and then sell with the news because we've got DEXs coming out. We've got a lot of stuff coming out on ADA. I think we're not going to lose the summer lows, which is the $1 range. I think $1 could be the ultimate floor for ADA. We just hit $1.10. Just like a lot of the cryptos. Some of them are going to retest the summer low. Some of them are going to go slightly below it. And then we're going to get a massive bounce. You know the deal. I'm also a strong believer of the total crypto market cap, guys. Alt season is absolutely imminent, in my opinion. We're just holding by a thread right over here. But we could be trading here for a long time. We could be trading here for a long time. And a long time for me is in crypto is a few weeks, okay? We could be trading here for a long time before we actually recover, okay? First quarter, January of 2022 is when we could start seeing some price action to the upside. The more boring it gets, the more explosive the move is going to be. I'll tell you that. I've been bored in crypto for months, and then you suddenly see price action that you would never believe it would happen to the downside or to the upside. ADA looks nasty. Yes, it does. Good to long now. I wouldn't be longing. I was looking for a short position actually on BTC. I would have shorted that resistance of this bear flag. You know, it is a bear flag because you did have a massive drop. You had this consolidation on the way up. You started to create a lower high. You break, you retest resistance. That would have been the great short opportunity, at least to almost retest the lows here. You could have exited most of your longs here because supposedly we should be retesting the low here and actually breaking it to come to lower levels. But yeah, just a quick scalp here to take some profits. I totally missed out on this one. If you're interested in scalping, guys, Prime XBT for me is the best one for scalping. And the good thing is that you're using Bitcoin, Ethereum as collateral. You can also use USDT. You can trade S&P 500. They got Forex, oil, gold, silver. They have a bunch of cryptos. You get 25% discount by using my link. And if you use my link, you'll also be eligible for a potential 50% added to your deposit, okay, when it comes in the future. They have been having this bonus for ages. They got it off right now. I think they will be coming back with that bonus in, I think. View on Doge. Right. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Saito, getting desperate now. Let's take a look at Saito. Saito Web3. Saito will be huge. It's just got a massive hit. Saito got a massive hit. I bought Saito at 2.4 cents, 2.5, 2.4, 2.6. I can't remember right now. Just before the massive pump. It is not looking good, okay? Saito, Web3. This one will be huge. Dragon Chain. Oh my god, I bought Dragon. I'm almost half down my money on Dragon Chain. I bought Dragon Chain at 11 cents. It's at 7 cents right now, just before the dip. Classic, guys. I'm not worried. I'm a long term for Dragon Chain. It looks pretty solid. The chart looks crappy. I got to tell you that. But Saito, yeah, Saito is going to be doing big stuff, huh? Big stuff on Saito. Don't worry. You know, when you get desperate is when you want to buy in. It's just, it is what it is. You need to buy in at these levels. Seb, and I think Sebastian is from Mallorca. He's a friend of mine. So yeah, Saito, don't worry. Saito will be doing good. I'm following the project. I'm holding my Saitos. Yeah. I think I got about 200k on Saito. I can't remember right now. I'll have to take a look. But very bullish on Saito. You can take a look at them. Do some research on Saito. They are very active. Big stuff coming on Saito. Web3. Will XRP go over $1 anytime? Says now fee. Yes, of course. It will. Mohammed, SC98 US dollar, please. Let's take a look at C98. Oh. Ouch. Ouchie. Ouchie. This one went below a major support level that it had. We were creating a bullish pattern here. We absolutely failed on the breakout, came back down. This was a clear phishing event to stop people out. Now we lost this major support on C19. It is not looking good. We need to get above this level to start becoming bullish. It's just creating lower lows. We need to get well above this low over here, this lower high, which is currently at the $3.30 level. So yeah, not looking too good in the immediate short term. C19, not looking too good. We need to get above this level. MTL Shorts says, thanks for the $5, by the way. ICP has so much FUD, but looks like accumulation schematic. Can you check and compare? I mean, accumulation schematic. Do I have the accumulation schematic here somewhere? I don't have the accumulation. It depends on which accumulation schematic, but it depends on which accumulation schematic. But yeah, I mean, it does. And that descending wedge did not play out. I mean, descending wedge, accumulation schematic is when you slightly go below the lows that you have created. You have selling climax, then you come back up here. I haven't got the accumulation schematic here, but we can compare this on another live stream, okay? We can do that on another live stream. Thanks for it, but it could be true, guys. This is the moment you want to get bullish on cryptos. If you are a strong believer on ICP, and ICP had a massive hype, it was trading at over $500 for a few days. It was crazy. I remember everybody, a lot of YouTubers, ICP, the new thing, the new internet of things, and ICP this, ICP that. There was a massive talk of ICP while the price was absolutely getting crushed. So a lot of people must have lost money on ICP. And this is where you want to become bullish. This might be the best buying opportunity you could ever have on a crypto project like this. Because when all of the selling was here. There's no selling pressure right there. You're going sideways. And I mean, this is not financial advice. I'm not updated with ICP. But this is the moment you want to buy. When you see a chart like this, and you're starting to find a pretty solid base and slightly breaking the lows here and finding a base, there's not too much selling pressure on ICP. All the selling pressure was here from private sales and from whatever, all of these big investors dumping the price down. Dumping is over for ICP. This is a reaccumulation. They are playing with your sentiments, like you said. It very much looks like an accumulation schematic because people get extremely bullish here, and you have kind of a double bottom. We're going to pump. Then when you come back down, people scared already. This is the moment you want to buy in. This is the moment you want to buy in. They are playing with your sentiments. They are buying right now. Whales are buying these price levels. I'm telling you that. But they know how to buy in. They know how to manipulate the price. They buy, they dump, they buy, they sell, they buy, they sell, and they actually buying more than they are selling out. So this is how they move the prices slightly to the downside while they take your coins that you are selling. So yeah. Any ICP news? I have no idea on ICP. I'm not following the project. Why did Sun Crypto crash? Probably because it's on the Tron blockchain. That's why it crashed. Hello, mate. Please, can you see Crypto Mines? Eternal, thank you. Oh my goodness. Eternal. What happened to this one? Oh my goodness. Did you guys see this? I saw it the other day because I have a good friend from Barcelona, that started trading with me back in 2017. And he told me that he had a friend that was making a huge amount of money on this crypto project, Eternal. And I was saying, okay, I looked at the it's on the Binance Smart Chain. That's already a red flag for me. And he was saying, this guy is making tens of thousands a month. He bought Eternal back in September and October and is making a fortune. What happened to this guy? He couldn't get his money out and he had tens of thousands of dollars. Look at this drop that happened on the 1st of December. On the 29th of November. It was absolutely insane. This one was trading at $700 just about 10 days ago. $700. It's currently at $3. It's had over a 90% drop in less than 10 days. Absolutely insane. But you would have bought this project back in October, you would have made a 100x your money. But yeah, this guy couldn't get his money out. So yeah, I think he put, a few $1,000s. He had a couple of 100,000. Something went wrong. I don't know what happened. And this one had a massive dip. It was insane. This is a crypto gaming project. It looks a little bit scammy, okay? It looks pretty cool by the looks of things on the web page here. But yeah, white paper tokenomics, the vision is good. Looks like Star Wars kind of thing. I don't know what happened with this one. But the chart was insane. The chart is insane. If you take a look, it's not even on, we haven't got any data here on. Yeah, be careful on this. I have no idea what happened, but it dropped over 90% in 10 days, in less than 10 days. So stay cautious with this. And I remember him, I talked to my friend back here in late November saying, I've got my mate that's making a fortune, he's making tens of thousands. And yeah, and I just spoke to him and he said he can't get that money out. He couldn't get that money out. All his money is disappeared. He's back to his initial investment and even less than that. So stay cautious with these crypto projects that you lock your tokens. You can't get them out. Only with a super legit one. Stay cautious. Eternal, look at this. Now that is a massive dump. That is a massive dump. Looks like bear market on ICP, Sultan. I'll tell you what, you're probably very wrong. You're probably very wrong. This might be the best opportunity you could get in on a coin. This might be the ultimate bottom, maybe not. But if you're bullish on ICP, this is the moment you want to buy in. It has been in the lowest part, okay, since probably its initial, private sale, potentially. I'm not sure what the private sale was on ICP, actually. But this might be the best buying opportunity you could have. When the selling pressure was here. Selling pressure was here. This is just, they are trying to trick you. They trick you. They trick you here with these movements. They trick you. And then you're suddenly going to see this. I've seen it before. I've seen it before many, many times. Why is it dropping so hard? What is Bitcoin? It better get lower because I'm planning to do some swing trades here. It better go down to 46k or 45k because I want to start swing long trading. View on Doge. I think Doge is a dead coin. I gotta say, I think Doge has more potential. I think Shiba Inu has more potential than Doge. Doge is retesting the summer lows. I think it will go lower. Doge inflationary. We got a new player. We got a new kid in the. We got a new kid in the hood. We got Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the new kid on the hood. Looks like no one likes Dogecoin anymore. Moon Goose. What, ICP? Are you crazy? Have you seen the tech? What's the matter with ICP? Is the tech bad or is it good? He still has friends. Who are you talking about, Mark? What the heck's going on here? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna actually, and the XRP. Let's take a look. I got Mohammed. I got someone straight in the comment section. Someone straight in the comment section. Someone is straight in the comment section. Oh man, you guys need to join the Telegram group. It's a party there. It's a party. We talk crypto. We have some drinks. We got Mark Dutch. We got David. We got Joseph. Insane support. Let's take a look at DOT and XRP. What's going on with XRP? XRP will have its moment. Don't worry. Don't worry. XRP will have its moment. Let's take a look at the daily RSI just to take a look at an indicator, and also VPVR. Well, it is clear that the 20 cent level is the strongest level. Looking at the VPVR, XRP has been trading for years around about that 20 cent level. Years though, years. So yeah, I don't think we won't be dropping below 20 cents. That is for sure. Just retested the summer lows at around about 50-60 cent level. 60 cent it did hit. Will it get above $1? Yeah, don't worry. It is actually a pretty good investment, XRP. All right. It is centralized. I'm not a supporter of XRP, but it will do well at some point. It will do well despite what they have with the SEC. It will do well. It's just a crappy chart. I hate doing analysis on XRP. I've got to say. Can you take a look at IOTX? We did nail some really good trades on IOTX. IOTX with volume, with price action and volume was insane. We nailed it with IOTX. We can probably nail another trade here. I'm going to say we are in a buying opportunity here on IOTX. I'll tell you that. IOTX is an insane buying opportunity right now. right now is good for buying. Not financial advice. But we've been nailing some trades on IOTX because I like to use price action and volume. And we were talking about the pumps with the volume. Retracements, you know, bottoming out. I was saying, guys, there's no volume at all. Very likely we're going to pump. Boom, we pumped. So we have nailed some pretty good, nice trades on IOTX. If we zoom out, we have also got some pumps over here. Now, what is happening on IOTX is that we are getting a bounce at the top here where most of the volume, you know, this massive candle, you know, this is classic technical analysis. We're just bouncing at the resistance. Very likely that the 10-cent level is going to be defended on IOTX and next level will be 25 cents. I see an easy 2x. I see an easy double your money here. Easy double your money. I mean, and this is not financial advice, okay? This could go to 0 tomorrow. But looking at the technicals, looking at volume, looking at the buying pressure and the price bouncing at this support level, it's just we're already getting that bounce there. So yeah, insane volume here to the upside. We've also got this volume and this candle and that candle with this volume backing this bounce. It's bullish. It's bullish. Crypto bull. TLM. Mana. My crypto bull. My crypto bull is this one. I got the crypto bull in the end. It's valued at 2.3 Ethereum right now. And minting price was 0.2, so that's done a 10x already, guys. I did talk about this project. I did get some friends getting in the raffle. I was mentioning the raffle here on Crypto Bull Society, so you did have a very high chance. I got 2 friends that got in the raffle. They both got 2 bulls. Let's take a look at Mana. Miss Fibonacci is live. Mark Dutch has got a big reputation. You got that right, Seb. He's got a big reputation. Sebas, we're going to maybe have to make you a moderator. Sebas, te vamos a hacer un moderator. I have to ask Mark Dutch. Mark Dutch is the moderator delegado. Moderator in charge. He's in charge of the moderators, Mark Dutch. Let's take a look at Mana. Mana US dollar. Oof. I mean, I'm not too bullish on this one just yet. And why do I have so many boxes here? I'm going to get some boxes out of the way because they're just in. Solid VPVR here. We have a nice peak mountain of VPVR. $3 range might be holding for Mana. This area might be holding actually for Mana, okay? Let's take a look at the daily. I want to take a look at the daily. Okay, this is why I got this box here. Because of the daily. We are currently getting huge consolidation. We're going to see a couple of wicks down below. But the $3 range might be holding for Mana. Because of this massive volume. A lot of people have been buying in between $1.50 and $3.50 in the same day. This was one day. So a lot of people are just buying here and holding for the long term. So this is why the price may be not going to be pushed down the $3 range. Thanks to this huge volume with this candlestick. Gracias por tu tiempo y trabajo, Andy. Ser chef. Moderator, por favor, says never in the mood. Mark Dutch. Por ti lo que quieras, crack, fan número 1 de Mallorca, ya lo sabes. Grande, Sebas. Muchas gracias. Guys, remember, if you want to support the channel, what you need to do is just smash up that like button, okay? This stream went well. Over 500 viewers. That's pretty good. Almost 500 likes. Make sure to smash up that like button. If you are interested in trading and you are experienced traders, Prime XBT and Bybit. You get the best bonus down below, okay? Be careful with Bitcoin. I do see Bitcoin trading at 46k levels in the next coming days, so stay cautious. I'm going to get ready for some long trades very soon, and I will be telling you guys, I'm going to get ready. I'm going to load up with some long positions, okay? I do see a little bit of consolidation around this area and even dipping down to 47k. If we go lower, even better, guys, even better. So yeah, we want to buy the blood, guys. We want to get people scared. I want to see those bears on Twitter calling for bear market. I want to see them because I'm ready for that, baby. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. What are the penalties of violating the crypto ban bill in India? I've got a lot of Indian viewers here, a lot of Indian supporters. Check out Bitcoinsensus website. We've got that latest news here to see what could happen if you do, what are the penalties for violating the crypto bill in India. So yeah, make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. All the socials are down below in the description, guys. Thank you very much for the insane support. Now, Miss Fibonacci is live. Check her out. She is live right now. She is live. You have the link in the comment section. She'll be taking a look at all of the different. If BTC drops, nothing will hodl. We'll be doing all right. Don't worry about that. It's time to accumulate, guys. Time to dollar cost average. Careful with your trading. Careful with your leverage trading. Only trade something that you're pretty sure or you're not risking too much. Miss Fibonacci is live. It is time to accumulate, guys. S&P doesn't look good. What's going on with the S&P? What's going on with the S&P? S&P looks great. It looks great. It looks bullish. It looks bullish. It's having a little bit of a dip action now. We got this descending broadening wedge that the target has been met. Right there. Descending broadening wedge. Pop out. Oh, look at this, guys. Simple technical analysis. Sometimes just plays out. I missed out on this. I missed out on this trade. And you can swing trade Prime XBT S&P 500. The fees are really low. They are high for crypto, but they are low for gold, for silver, for Dow Jones, for S&P 500. Check out Prime XBT, guys. You get 25% fee discount down below. Miss Fibonacci is live. Thank you, guys. Cardano bullish, mate. Maybe Cardano is a good opportunity buy right now. I don't think Cardano will drop below $1. We do have some bullish news on Cardano. Dex is going live. 500 likes before leaving. Come on, guys and girls. Yes, you got it. Love for Andy, free TA, cost of nothing, helps him a lot. You got it, Sabes. Thank you very much. Gracias, amigo. Guys, I will see you later, okay? I'm going to do another live stream tomorrow. That is for sure to connect with the community. Thank you very much for the support. Make sure to check out Miss Fibonacci. ADA, please, dude. Adventure, make sure to check out Natalie. She'll be taking a look at ADA for sure for you. She'll definitely be taking a look at ADA. Okay, so she's live right now. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much. In the comment section, go to the comment section. Is it that way? Is it that way or that way? That way. Comment section live. Miss Fibonacci, Natalie. Thank you, Mark Dirch. Thank you, Dava. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Sebes, for the support. See you guys later.